Dang! Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to introduce you a leading brewing technology company, iGulu, and their new product iGulu F1. And this company, they focus on the microbrewing products, and for the iGulu F1, the smart beer homebrew appliance is innovative all-in-one smart brewing machine that integrates fermentation, cooling, and dispensing. Next, let's use my knife to open the box. First is a cardboard box. Yes. And it's time for this product. The maximum capacity is 5 kg, and the net weight of the product is 11.3 kilogram. Dimensions 332, 455, and 517 mm. The handhold and white tray was not included. So yes, this is the first box, and after we open it, another white box. Well, not so easy to get it out, and it's well protected by the first cardboard box. But finally we open it, and okay, let's put it aside, and yes, this is the iGulu F1. In the front of the box we can find the product image and the main features. So it's easy to use with the easy touch color intelligent digital display screen. So you can choose your design functions mode as view and the real-time display of equipment status. Simple yet sophisticated, classical and user-friendly with the digital display screen, and also it's to use. It also comes from the intelligent brewing system. Also supports smart control, unlimited recipe support, high quality ingredient kit supply, and the front side of the box, right side of the box, we can find the QR code. You can scan it to get the software and connect it to the machine. And this side, you can find more basic information about the products, maximum capability, 5 liter. Dimension, and the cooling power 12 voltage, heating power 12 voltage, and the rated voltage AC 100 to 240 voltage. Yeah, so this is the main specification, and we can find the height of the box is as tall as my knees. So next, come to the point. Open inside white box. Yes. In the front of the box we can find the machine and a cup of beer, and we can brew your personal style beer and taste the fun of high tech. Yes, if you use this machine. And after we open the box, here is the soft plastic bag with user manual, I think. Yes, let's open it and I will show you one by one. Okay, so this is a warranty card. Okay, warranty card. You can scan the QR code to get the warranty information and help from them. And also you can visit the website. And this is a sticker. You can stick it, scan it, and order it. And also for this one, you support refilled, quick read and process formula and process technology information. And this is the user manual. Okay, well, so many words and a lot of things you need to notice, and over 30 pages. And for this one, this is the self-developed AS dispensing couple. This can not only work with the undeveloped kegs, but also compatible with multiple brands. So you can enjoy unlimited refills and drinks, and can meet the cooling and preservation needs for the 5-liter beer kegs from various brands for dispensing. So let's put it back and go to the other stuff. Okay. Yes, this is the... okay, I know. This is the handle. I will check it later. And let's remove the cover and check the main products. So, okay. Let's get the iGulu F1. The main product out. Well, it's also well protected in a soft plastic bag and nothing left. Yes, so this all stuff inside the big box, really big box and heavy box. So let's check the today's my leading actor, the main actor, and I will introduce it one by one. Well, after we remove the soft plastic bag, the machine is in front of us. This is a touch screen, and whoa, wide design, and the shape is diamond shape, very classical design. And for this products, let's get the red dot design, a design word from Germany, and also for the software is get the Germany UX reward, and also they win the CES Innovation Award. And yes, I found this one. I think this is a dispensing couple I already mentioned. So it's compatible with various 5-liter beer kegs, including but not limited to brands I think like Hiking, Budweiser, Carlsberg. Okay, this is the charging cable, and let me check how to connect it, charge cable to the machine. And at the back of the machine we can be connected to a universal carbon dioxide gas cylinder. And here is the charging dot. As I mentioned, the products worked with rated wattage 100 to 240 wattage. And here, okay, I think this is the white tray. Let's check it. Let's get it out. Oh, very nice, high quality. So you can put your carbs on the tray, and you can get your beer. This is the hold handle. Whoa! So yes, you just need to twist the handle, and fresh and delicious beer is come out from the machine. Okay, let's adjust the direction of the machine. Yes, this is the carbon dioxide gas cylinder. This can help in preserving the fresh for up to 30 days with oxygen barrier. Very nice. And also for the 5 kegs, 1 bottle is equal to 220 carbs. Yes, let's remove the cap of the machine and check the inside of the machine. Whoa, this is a magnetic metal bucket, and also with a pop line connected to the kegs. And this is a healthy and reliable treated material. The fermentation keg is from Eastman, USA, and the material formulated for baby products at Europe and USA. It's durable, it's BPA free, and it's pressure resistant, heat resistance. It's also certificated by the US Food and Drug Administration, and let's take a close look at it. It's transparent, keg, it's safe, and it also strongly blocks the oxygen. Odorless. Yes. Very nice, very safe. And here the scale line, and the design is just like the normal beer kegs. Some information about the keg, and the treating material is certificated by the United States FDA, and the result of food contact material testing from the report. And okay, this is the main fermentation place, the keg, and nothing else for this part. So it can instantly pressure fermentation and triple pressure safety lock from the official instructions, and when the fermentation pressure of beer exceeded set value, its automatic pressure management will be enabled and ensuring constant pressure safe fermentation. And this is the magnetic mental bucket protected safety value for rapid pressure relief, built-in safety pipeline for automatic pressure release, and high and low pressure pop-up reminders. And okay, backside, you can use the carbon dioxide to dispense beer, and can enhance the carbonation, resulting in a better mouthfeel. It can help in preserving the freshness for up to 30 days with this. But for the iGulu F1 main unit, it's not included the gas cylinder. You need to buy it separate. There's a gas cylinder model like 31. So okay, these are the main stuff inside the big box from iGulu F1, and we'll check the instructions, details. This one, AD dispensing couple. Yeah. Very easy to use with the colorful user menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. So with this, use this as a normal beer stock, and also it works with the gas cylinder. This can keep the freshness up to 30 days. So this is a very good wine bucket for your daily life. Okay, so next, I think I forget to mention this sticker. You can stick it and scan the QR code and order it, and also the RFID flash brew technology are also applied in these products. For the RFID can quickly release and process formula and process technology information, and automatically adjust the temperature and time required for brewing beer. No brewing experience needed, just a touch away from waiting for the exquisite beer to be brewed, just like the Belgian beer I bought. Okay, and I really like the taste of Belgian beer. The craft beer is very nice. Yes, let me show you. I already expected. I'm now already expected my beer from the iGulu F1 with very easy twist of the handle, and we can get the fresh beer just like the Belgian fresh beer, crafted beer. Yeah, with this we can throw away the Belgian beer, the man-made beer, handmade beer. Yes, Very nice. So which one you like? Maybe you can make comments and let me know. You withdrew the Belgium beer away instead and use the brewing home machine. Whoa. I really want to have a answer from you, and I also expected my next video on how to make my own beer with this machine. And last is a surprise time, because I also get another package from iGulu, and I'm still waiting for the fermentation beer material from them, but also they send another package for me. So let's check what's inside this yellow package. Okay, I have never opened it before, and I want to share with you at the first time. And yes, well, let's check what's inside this. It's also a customized package from iGulu. Brew different, be yourself. And I also want to mention the mention of the iGulu. They told me is to make the art of brewing accessible, enjoyable, and innovative. Ensure that everyone can craft their own exceptional brews from the comfort of their homes. So they provided me a wine cup and a wine opener, a stainless steel big cup, and a stainless steel wine opener. So compared to my glass cup, actually I prefer the stainless steel big cup. You can get better mouth feelings. Yeah, so this one is wine opener. It's also combined the mantle with leather. Okay, very nice. I like it. And yes, a bag, stainless beer cup, stainless wine opener, and at the last, whoa. So this is a home brew beer book, quick start. It tells you how to make your own beer, and let's check the book as well. Now each time I'm reading a book, I will release my imagination. I will think a lot, especially when I get the machine and they give me a book. Now I'm really looking forward to my beer that's made by myself. Opener, use the menu, cup, book, bag, machine, wine tray, handle, yeah, everything is here. Still waiting for my material fermentation, and let's expect it for it and drink my own beer. Whoa. So please make comment, let me know your thoughts about the machine. And at last, I've showed a new product. S1 pictures and specifications compared to the first generation, and now they are in Kickstart. You can support them. Bye bye.